Silsila, you don't know?
What real life cheating are you talking about?
You want to put
Rocky
the effort
Rani
into
is at
this.
the bottom for you?
I really liked Rocky Rani. It had a balanced perspective on Jaya Bachchan.
I do not appreciate what Gairaiya did to me.
Like what the fuck was My Name Is Khan? Like I'm such a Shah Rukh fan, but what was he doing?
And listen, if someone does
Yeah.
at you,
Yeah.
you are allowed to cheat a little bit.
Yeah.
Karan Johar, you did nothing wrong with Kabhi Alvida Na
Yeah, we
Kehna.
are fans.
Full fans of
Yeah.
Kank. What is सब दे दे प्यार दे logic? एक बार सोने से प्यार हो जाता है तो दो बार सोने से प्यार नहीं. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Popcorn Hour. I'm Shantanu.
I'm Akanksha.
And today we're going to be discussing infidelity in movies.
Dhoka. Fareeb. Dil
Dhoka.
Dard.
Dhoka. Fareeb. As Akanksha told me earlier when we were coming up the stairs to the studio, she said, "Chalna infidelity karte hain." So in that spirit, we are here to talk about infidelity, its depiction in cinema, and here we go.
ठीक है हम लोग बेसिकली लाइक ही सेड वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस मूवीज में हाउ इज इनफिडेलिटी रिप्रेजेंटेड और बहुत लाइक इट्स हैपेंड अक्रॉस डेकेड्स इन बॉलीवुड ना इट्स नॉट अ न्यू थिंग वेयर दे शोइंग हॉ चीटिंग बैड एंड ऑल दे हैव बीन शोइंग इट फॉर अ व्हाइल
Yeah.
आई थिंक द फर्स्ट you tell me actually let's start with you what's the
Yeah.
first instance of infidelity that you remember watching in movies
The first instance I remember is a movie that I was not allowed to watch.
oh
My parents used to take me to, we used to stay in Delhi में एक area है Chanakyapuri, where we were
one
raised.
sec casually he has said it's the fancy area
It's not a fan, it's a सरकारी area है, government
तो
officers
fancy
के
होता है
बच्चे
दिल्ली
रहते हैं,
में।
हम वहाँ रहते थे. And Nirula's and Chanakya, PVR Chanakya is where we used to go on Fridays to watch films. And I would be very disappointed if my parents were going to watch an adult movie. And I remember very few times that they would be like, no, not this week, no movie for him.
oh
And Astitwa or something
Yes,
had come
yes,
out. And I
yes.
remember Astitwa was Tabu, Monish Bahl and Sachin Khedekar.
yes
And it was a film about infidelity, which I do not think had graphic sex or violence,
No.
but probably just the themes were adult. So I
Correct.
was not taken along by my parents to watch this, or Mitra, my friend. So those are the representations of
So your
infidelity.
first memories of a movie you didn't watch, but you knew कि this is a
कुछ
topic
तो
of
इसमें हो
कुछ
रहा
तो
है
गलत है ये
कि मुझे दिखाना नहीं चाहते सच्चाई मेरे
Oh.
माँ बाप इस दुनिया की.
okay बड़े होके also you didn't watch Asitwa
बस बड़े होके I didn't because
Because
my
there's no
assumption
sex.
was that there is no license because there is no नहीं क्योंकि उसमें graphic violence और sex नहीं है.
boring
Yeah, only Wanga. So I wanted to. I probably will watch it, but I'd be very surprised if it managed to get a licensing deal. Huh?
I think it's on YouTube for free
As it should.
because I think I've watched it on YouTube.
Who directed it?
This I don't know. This is too much. All I know is Tabu is in it. That's all I care about. And Monish Bahl is in it. It's a Hum Saath Saath Hai.
Not Tanuja Chandra. Every time I have any
Tanuja?
doubt about who's directed a film, I go to Tanuja Chandra.
No, it seems like a man may have directed it for some reason.
man-made
It's the
film.
feeling I'm getting from the
Man-made.
movie. Yeah, but yeah, it is a movie on infidelity. It's also I think it's a brave choice because the husband finds out much later. So basically, Tabu cheats on a very absentee husband of sorts with Monish Bahl, who's her music teacher, and then they do
Monish
like
Bahl.
क्या नाम है?
You said Bale.
Bahl.
Ah,
I like
that's so-
Bahl more than Bahl.
Monish Bahl, okay.
MB.
She cheats on him. Huh.
She cheats on her husband. But it's shown in a way that she's quite justified to cheat on her absentee husband. Like that's the lensing a little bit. That and he finds out much later. I think I don't know if I'm correct me in the comments, but I think they have a kid and all. And maybe the kid is Monish
The kid
Bahl's,
is Monish
Bahl's son.
Bahl. Why can't you say
yaar,
Bahl?
it's
What is
tough.
wrong with you? Why?
Bahl.
Okay, so Astitwa, obviously. If anyone has seen Astitwa, please.
I would say watch.
Okay,
Why not?
interesting.
Yeah.
So watch Astitwa.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you? What is your earliest
Mine would be
depiction?
little like real life cheating they showed on screen, which is obviously everyone knows what I'm talking about. It's Silsila. Silsila, you don't know?
What real life cheating are you talking about?
Amitabh Bachchan. And then you
Yeah.
know only
I
Jaya
don't
Bachchan.
know. What about him?
Amit ji, Jaya Bachchan and Rekha,
Okay.
which some people say had a real life cheating scandal going on.
No, I really didn't
But
know
Yash
about this
Chopra
one.
managed to get them into a movie. Yash
Oh.
Chopra managed to get them cast in one movie.
Oh.
Yeah. And it's
Okay.
basically what you would expect, which you are clearly very, very not in the know of. But basically, Amitabh Bachchan cheats on Jaya Bachchan with Rekha.
But I'm assuming that there's a previous fling that the
Yeah,
two
yeah.
of them have
So the
had
story is
together.
basically that
They
Amitabh
meet
Bachchan
at
is
a
a
wedding
pole.
where she's in a pink sari,
Correct. And she
pink
has a
lehenga.
fake that
हाँ,
Sardani Choti and all that
Choti,
going on.
correct.
Yeah. So they love each other, but basically Jaya Bachchan loves Shashi Kapoor,
Who dies? Who's
who
an Air Force pilot?
dies. And she's pregnant. So now because she's pregnant, she needs to get married. And
He
Amitabh
steps
Bachchan
over
is
as well.
just, yeah, he's just there. It's basically Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, but gender flip.
But he takes over. He's like basically that I want my
Yeah,
friend's wife.
reluctant, upset, whatever.
But they
takes
don't
over.
actually have any romance together, or is it
No,
a
they
very
don't, but it builds. It's a little bit like of, oh, now that we're married, she develops fondness because mera pati parmeshwar hai type of a feeling is there a little bit. And now that I'm married to you, I will develop fondness for you. Now,
is
now
there
my life is
banter
this.
in the film? I don't remember. I
Between
remember
them,
it very
no.
peripherally.
Their relationship is no banter. It's more, if I had to really explain it, it would be like their relationship is more duty bound, and through duty you find love. Whereas Rekha and Him are
जैसे
like, bam.
like a mom dad relationship.
Ha. Now
हाँ.
she's pregnant and all that. What? Yeah,
हाँ.
but Jaya, but like Rekha and him are more like sexual energy and sexual vibes are going on between the two of them.
Throughout when they meet.
They have a vibe with each other.
But is the character played
attraction
by Rekha
forward.
ji married to someone else?
Yes.
Sanjeev Kumar.
Sanjeev Kumar Thakur.
Oh,
Yeah. And he's a very nice
Sanjeev
guy.
Kumar is an amazing. He
Yeah,
was
yeah,
an
yeah.
amazing guy.
Yeah,
what a great actor.
And he really pulls off that role because that role can look very like, do you not know what's going on in your own home? Kind of like, you can come across as a little bit of a loser, but he does it with a lot of integrity. So his role is really nicely shown.
Okay.
And I think Rekha's character just doesn't fall in love with him until the end of the movie when she realizes he knew all along, but he gave me the space to explore myself and understand what like I truly feel. So the movie ends with no one's cheating at the end. Everyone goes back to their respective spouses.
But an affair has
An affair has happened. Everyone finds out and then they reconcile. Because there's a accident that happens again. And then Rekha realizes she actually loves Sanjeev Kapoor. Sanjeev Kapoor's on a flight.
Sanjeev
Accident
Kapoor
happens.
is a cook.
He's a doctor.
No, Sanjeev Kapoor
Oh.
is a cook. Sanjeev Kumar is an actor.
So good day for
Sanjeev
me with names.
cheating
Yeah.
Swad Anusar is
Sanjeev
not
Bolu.
what. It's not. You're talking about.
Oh my God. But there's one scene in
Cheating.
Silsila that I want to discuss specifically. So basically, Rekha and Amitabh Bachchan are married to different people and now they go to a hotel. Okay, very like, oh, let's meet in secrecy. But they choose to meet at a hotel in the lobby.
In a room.
No, lobby.
That's platonic.
हाँ मतलब they're trying to figure out कि करना है क्या नहीं करना है kind of cheating, okay? Then Amitabh Bachchan's college friend comes and sees both of them sitting. He assumes that Rekha is his wife, Amitabh Bachchan's wife. And he says, and I'm quoting, भाभी जी तो बड़ी जोरदार है. Like just casually. He's like, why yaar Amit, भाभी जी तो बड़ी जोरदार है. And his name is Amit. हाँ. And they just move past that dialogue very casually. But yeah, Silsila.
Silsila is your first experience.
I would say my first memory. And I think it stays on. It lives through because of like, it's just a dramatic movie to talk about because of the parallels between like cinema and real life and the casting coup that Yash Chopra could. Only I think Yash Chopra
This
could
I'm
pull off.
completely unaware of. But yeah, I'm sure if you're claiming that, then this is probably something that I don't know. I
Yeah.
didn't.
No one knows. Maybe
मैं
I'm the
लहरे
only
रेट-
person who knows this. Yeah.
मैं Stardust और लहरे रेट्रो नहीं पढ़ता.
मैं तो Zoom TV बहुत देखती थी.
I can tell. I feel like for a lot of time, my idea of infidelity was rather comical based on the interpretation that you see in Bollywood, right?
David Havan.
Where it's cheating.
Yeah,
Come
yeah.
on, but men will be men. Boys will be boys.
Yeah.
So like a lot, there is that type of cheating. There's the type of cheating that Govinda did throughout his career. His characters
Yeah.
did in his, everyone, every
Everything.
single
Sajan
one.
Chale Sasural and whatnot.
All of them, in fact. Coolie number one to Coolie number one. Also, he sings a song with his best friends that Husna Hai Suhana. He accidentally roofies Harish's girlfriend and does the song with. Accidental roofing bhi hoti hai usme. There is, all of them have. Sajan Chale Sasural, Sandwich, Double Trouble. All of them have the two wives, two
Correct.
girlfriends type of
Correct.
trope. No entry.
No entry, which is hilarious.
No entry,
It's very
garam
funny,
masala.
yeah.
A lot of the general idea of infidelity as comedy
Yeah.
has pervaded most commercial cinema.
Yeah.
Except for like beach mein, like say a Shekhar Kapoor making a movie like Masoom or something, which I remember really liking as a child.
Even Mahesh Bharat mein, Earth.
Earth,
Seriously shown.
Earth,
हाँ.
Earth this one, Masoom. I remember
Huh.
Masoom in
Very
great
sweet
detail.
movie.
I thought it
Yeah.
was very well made,
Yeah.
and I also
Yeah.
enjoyed the homage
Yeah.
to it in Mehuna,
Yeah. Oh,
where
yeah, yeah,
it
yeah.
was
Yeah.
kind
Yeah.
of,
They've cast the kid Shah Rukh version also, who looks like the Masoom Jugal Hansraj
and
only.
same
Yeah.
Nasir Saab in both.
Same Nasir Saab.
Same
Correct.
Nasir Saab, same issue.
Masoom very sweet.
Letter coming
Correct.
that
Correct.
I am dying. Please take care of
Correct.
him and
Correct.
whatever,
Correct.
which I thought was great.
Shabana Kiran Kher. That's the difference.
That is the difference.
Hmm. Okay.
But moving on,
Hmm.
I also, one of my favorite films of
Oh.
all time,
Hmm.
as I keep telling everyone,
Hmm.
is Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. And I feel like that's a movie that merits a little bit of discussion
Yeah.
because I have always maintained it's Karan Johar's finest work.
Oh, more than Rocky Rani.
Rocky
You're a
Rani,
big
of
Rocky
course, I
Rani.
enjoy Rocky Rani a lot.
Hmm.
But for me, Kank number 1, Rocky number 2. If we are ranking Karan Johar movies,
Oh, we're doing this, kya?
I'll give you my quick Karan Johar ranking before moving into Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. I will say Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna is his greatest film ever made.
Oh.
Second best film he made is Rocky Rani
Okay.
Ki Prem Kahani. Third is the Bombay Talkies ka short story that he made,
Which
which is Saqib Salim and Randeep Hooda and Rani
And Rani
Mukherjee, I
Mukherjee.
think.
Huh, huh,
That's number 3.
huh.
Number 4, My Name is Khan. Number
What's
f-
wrong
no
with
number
you,
4
Shant?
number 4 then is Ae Dil Hai Mushkil ka first half good, second half terrible. Then comes My Name is Khan, then Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham at the bottom.
Mine is reverse order almost.
Reverse order.
Yeah, I don't even want to put
Rocky
the effort
Rani is
into
at
this.
the bottom for you.
Not whatever.
And Kank and Rocky
little bit
Rani?
here and there, but K3G number 1 for
K3G
me.
bottom.
K3G is number 1.
Kuch Kuch Hota Hai here, then My Name is Khan. Then yeah, that
I'm not-
I've
I
said
don't
my
even
order.
count some of these as his films. Like what the fuck was My Name is Khan? Other
My
than
Name
the
is Khan
album.
was a decent film.
I
yaar.
don't know.
There
Like
was-
I'm such a Shah Rukh fan, but what was he doing in that movie?
he
dude?
was doing way
Not-
better than what
no.
Amir did in Lal Singh Chadda.
I haven't seen
And-
Lal Singh Chadda as we've discussed in a previous episode.
I'm just saying that My Name is Khan was not as bad a film if you were.
Obama hai na usme end mein.
What? You've not seen My Name is Khan?
I've seen it, yeah. But it's one of those films I won't remember as a film in its entirety. I would remember the music, like
My Name
Noor-e
is
Khuda
Khan
and
is
all I
better than
love.
Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and K3G.
No, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai as cheating, you think? Would you count Kuch Kuch Hota Hai as cheating?
She's there.
Are Kajol exists na? Salman Khan exists. Is Kajol cheating on Salman Khan in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai?
What? That one rain dance?
That's very sexual, yeah.
वो तो शाहरुख कर रहा है ना.
तो
She's
क्या
just
मर गई है
she's
क्या?
just trying to dry off. And listen, if someone does
Yeah.
at you,
Yeah.
you are allowed to cheat a little bit.
Yeah, I agree.
Just this.
I don't think he doesn't need to do anything and you can cheat also. Shah Rukh doesn't need to do anything. He can just
I
be.
don't know. Was Miss Anjali cheating a
Miss
little bit?
Anjali, I think she was cheating for sure.
Miss
You know what
Anjali-
happens in these films? Like when they're doing the rain dance and then she moves her hand on his face and she sees her ring. That's when she realizes, fuck, I have a fucking fiance.
He is midway through a neck sniff.
Yeah, it's his move.
He's in
It's
a deep neck sniff at that
SRK's
point, bro.
move. Yeah.
Mm.
But in a lot of these
Old
Bollywood movies,
Spice.
people realize. Girls, don't use Old Spice.
I don't know.
What the fuck?
Nivea.
But like a lot of Bollywood movies have this,
Ponds.
I saw my ring or I saw like some kind of a symbol of my marriage and then I realized I'm cheating. But tab tak cheating ho chuki hai, bro. Like you still need to come clean to your partner. We've discussed
She
this.
needed to come clean to
Sallu. Arey, of course, you're marrying the guy. He doesn't even know that you've
What does
done
she
all
tell?
this.
Doesn't he
sort of-
like show up immediately a minute later?
Yeah.
He's
In
like
the
saved
rain, he
it.
comes, he
In
puts
the
his
rain,
hand.
he's
She's
there
like,
like, "Hey,
she
bro."
says, I love you, thinking it's Shah Rukh Khan. She says, I love you. I love you so much. And it's
You-
not.
So you can't say I love you to someone.
No, do you want me to break down what cheating is?
I love you नहीं बोल सकते किसी और को.
नहीं.
Oh.
It's a dance dance is also not allowed.
Even if the guy in front of you does this.
No.
So you, okay, sure. So in Karan Johar's universe
Hmm.
of cinema,
Hmm.
Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, you say Anjali sowed the seeds of cheating,
Yeah.
right? Little
yeah.
bit.
But you're rooting for the couple, so you kind of forgive that. You're not really paying attention to the fact that Salman has been cheated on. But in Kank, he hits it like ekdam on the head. Na? He's like fully dikhaunga main
Kank is
cheating.
about
Huh.
infidelity.
Let's do
and-
deep dive of Kank. I
Sure.
think both of us have opinions on Kank, so we can do
Go.
this. Okay, we can go. My main opinion of Kank is that I think it's a good movie because it doesn't necessarily glorify cheating or love. It just shows that two people who are inherently quite annoying and miserable are better suited to each other
Yeah.
than two people who seem okay. Like basically Abhishek Bachchan and Preeti Zinta are fairly happy, grounded, normal people, whereas
Yeah.
Rani Mukherjee and Shah Rukh Khan are more resentful, kind of like
bitter.
energy, क्या बोलते हैं, energy vampires. Like they're more like that, right? So
Yeah.
they should have ended up together. I think that's justice done to Preeti Zinta and Abhishek. So it's a favor. What I'm saying is they did a favor to this spouse.
Yeah, I feel like what the film nicely does is it flips the narrative on the outgoing extrovert being the cheater, which is what usually they show in older, like whatever these other types of movies. इसकी जो बाहर party कर रहा है, PR में काम कर रहा है, he's the one sleeping around
Yeah,
and all.
yeah.
But if they are secure and happy in their life,
Yeah.
that void doesn't exist for them to go and seek that solace elsewhere. Whereas with Rani and Shahrukh, that's exactly what draws them
Brings them
together.
together.
That they're bitter and unhappy.
Yeah.
We don't even know how much they're hitting it off as human beings, as
Yeah.
much as the fact that what draws them together to cheat
It's the lack
is
of,
the fact
yeah.
that, oh my God, we are bitter and unhappy and our partners are happy, and that annoys us
Yeah.
and it irritates us.
Yeah.
And that's why I just want someone like who gets it, who
Yeah.
gets that this world sucks.
Yeah.
You know,
and I
and
can be, I guess, like a lot of it is also just be who you really are around that person, no? Without it feeling like a tension or a problematic thing. Like she
Yeah.
can be a little cranky, he can
It
be
was-
an asshole, and she likes his humor
it
because
was
it's
nice.
like,
I
yeah.
thought it correctly. It was destigmatizing staying stuck in a loveless marriage, because
Yeah.
that marriage was not unfair to Rani Shahrukh as much as it was to Preeti
Of
and
course,
Abhishek.
yeah.
I feel really bad for Preeti, but I feel so bad for, I don't know why Abhishek Bachchan in that film,
Yeah.
he was
He's good.
just dead on.
Yeah,
Like
he's
he
very
won.
good.
He's the only one who got a Filmfare for it. He
Oh,
won
really?
a Filmfare Best
Well
Supporting.
deserved. Well
It
deserved.
was well deserved
Yeah,
because he loses his mind, because I think it also, he just loses his father. And
That's when she comes
nice
clean to him.
tadka of comical infidelity with
Sexy
sexy Sam
Sam.
thrown in to juxtapose the actual neo-realism of infidelity,
Correct.
which the younger generation was displaying.
Experiencing. Yeah.
Because they are doing banter of Kiran Kher, Amitabh Bachchan are having that
Yeah.
little, oh, Miss Chandigarh,
Yeah.
and
Nice vibe.
Wednesday,
Yeah.
Thursday. And here shit is real.
Yeah.
So I'm a very big fan
Yeah.
of Kank, and I also feel like it wasn't received very well because in India,
Shah Rukh Khan ko
obviously,
kaise dikha sakte ho was the main contention.
how can he be sleeping? And
Yeah.
he slept with Rani Mukherjee, na?
रो रो
Everything-
के it's very funny how
One
they
tear
cheat.
drop.
Yeah. तो cheat करे तो कर लो
It's
यार.
that
रो तो
type
बाद
of
में रो.
that type of intimacy, like Amir and blind Kajol and Fana. Similar level of
Yeah.
intimacy that
Yeah,
was
yeah,
displayed.
yeah,
Visual intimacy ka depiction.
Yeah.
was
Fire is
that-
burning in the background.
Yeah,
and all
ये
also. Very
साजिश है
symbolic.
बूंदों की.
Correct, correct. I have one more point on Kank. I
Yeah.
think it's a very rare movie that doesn't show that you need some hectic reason to cheat on your partner. Like Abhishek Bachchan is a nice guy, right? Like there's nothing inherently wrong in their marriage.
But she has a hectic reason.
What's her hectic reason?
She doesn't love him.
Exactly. That's what I'm
That's
saying.
very
It
hectic.
but it normalized that. A lot of movies don't show like Astitva, for example.
Oh, you're saying that
Huh.
it doesn't have to be on them.
Yeah.
It can be a more internal
It's a
thing.
more internal that
Ah,
love is
you can-
irrational and love doesn't necessarily follow, oh, this guy's a
Ganda
good
aadmi.
guy, I know him. This,
Good
da, da, da,
people
da.
can get cheated on.
Precisely.
But वो तो हो रहा था.
हाँ.
Like even in the comedy films, Salman Khan was cheating on, say, No Entry. He was cheating on Isha Deol. I want to say.
Yeah.
Isha Deol
Yeah.
or Amrita, Anil Kapoor was cheating on Lara
Lara
Datta,
Datta.
or whatever the
Yeah,
cheating is happening.
Yeah.
They are still good women.
Yeah.
Or they are good
Of course.
pious women that are getting cheated on.
Yeah.
But they're just not real human beings.
Yeah.
In this film, you actually see real human beings with real emotions, and
Yeah.
it sucks
Yeah.
that every time Karan Johar tries to do something
Different, yeah.
slightly cool,
Yeah.
it doesn't get the validation
Yeah.
that bloody Buckingham Palace and Raichands get. So
Stop hating on K3G now.
it's got enough love. Na? Some dude sitting in some corner of the world with a bloody mic saying shit about it doesn't impact the legacy that
Fair
it
enough,
managed
but
to
it
create.
hurts me. And you should care about that. But
I
one
do.
more, Kank, I think Karan Johar has also said if he had one movie he could remake, he would have done that again. He would have toned down the glamour and he would have made it a more grounded, real kind of a movie. He
Oh,
thought
this-
it was sort of distracted.
He's letting it get to him. He's letting all
what?
the negativity
The
get to him.
comments get to
हाँ,
him.
वो he's silly. Karan Johar, you did nothing wrong with Kabhi Alvida Na
Yeah, we
Kehna.
are fans.
Full fans of
Yeah,
Kank.
yeah.
Very well made film. Just never apologize for the good stuff you do.
Actually, no,
Apologize for the Ghost Story short film you made.
Yeah, that was very weird. Avinash Tiwari
I
and
think he
Brunei
has
Thakur.
he has
He
apologized.
should.
Good,
He should
good night,
apologize.
Granny.
He was so stupid. Yeah. No, but also if you see the trajectory of Karan Johar, because he seems like a guy who thinks about infidelity significantly. He's done Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, which we discussed. Thoda mild dikha diya. Kank head full on,
हाँ.
but apologetic, right? Little bit, they're crying and all. रॉकी रानी में एकदम खुले में चीटिंग दिखाई है मस्त एकदम धर्मेंद्र और शबाना आजमी की Like
Oh, they
it
were
goes
they
from
were
mild,
cheating.
apologetic to bold, blatant, let's cheat.
They both don't have partners anymore though.
Arey, Dharmender and Jaya Bachchan.
But that's a completely loveless marriage, right?
But it's still cheating.
But
He's still
I
cheating on
I
her.
think it's slightly comical because the stakes are lower because the people cheating are older. I don't
No,
know.
that's terrible.
I don't know
Shakunu.
if this makes
No,
sense.
no,
Does this
no,
make
no,
sense?
no.
Like an 85-year-old
But that's
person
worse because you've
cheating.
lived an entire life with that person and he's cheating on you
But
when
it's a
he's like,
completely bitter life, right? Like there's absolutely no love between
whose
Jaya ji
fault is that?
and Dharamji.
It's not her fault.
It's not. It's both of their faults, but it's the predicament.
Arey, but इसे मुंह पे he's cheating on her. Yeah, Shanu, he just he kisses Shabana in front of his wife, dude. That's years of togetherness, and he just openly, blatantly cheats on her. I felt very bad. I think Jaya Bachchan was done dirty in that film. I've said this in a previous episode also.
She was not a very
She's not.
likable person in the film.
Because they've not shown the multifacets, and if they showed the movie through her perspective, she was the one who
Then
got shat
Tanuja
on.
Chandra would be directing it, no? Or Kalpana Lajmi. Why is this? This isn't Pinjar, the tale of a lonely woman in a laddu factory, right? We're talking. This is Rocky or Rani पे भी तो focus करना है
Little
थोड़ा
bit, I
सा.
think they could have done this Jaya Bachchan role. Like, I would have really liked Rocky Rani if it had a balanced perspective on Jaya Bachchan. If they didn't villainize her. We've discussed this earlier also.
Yeah, we
She-
have discussed. We
yeah.
have discussed the
yeah.
Raichands, and we've discussed
Exactly,
it
the
from a
difference
Raichand
between-
marriage. Even the
yeah.
Raichand marriage wasn't great.
It was a
Nandini and
loveless
Mr. Raich.
marriage, yeah.
I
In
don't think it
Shava
was
Shava,
loveless.
he's grinding
it
with
wasn't
those
loveless.
models.
It wasn't loveless.
It wasn't loveless, you're right.
He
you're right.
ties. There's a little
There's
bit.
very cute.
There's a subtle
Yeah,
romance.
yeah.
मेरी
बेटा आ
टाई
गया,
मेरी टाई
भूल
कौन
गए
बांधेगा
मुझे। हाँ.
बेटा आ गया तो मेरी
भूल
टाई
गए।
अब मेरी टाई भी नहीं बांधी जाएगी and all.
In the end, he says sorry and all. also to
Accept
her,
the
like-
love that your husband is giving you in whatever shape or form it's coming.
Yeah, but they had
वो
one
सिर्फ मेरे
kid.
हाथ की रोटी खाते हैं.
Oh my god. Hmm.
हाँ.
Recent कोई आए क्या? जिसमें
Yeah, of
infidelity-
course.
गहराइयाँ.
Dharma Universe, गहराइयाँ.
गहराइयाँ.
Are you flirting with me?
I
Obsessed
do
with
not. I do not appreciate what Gehraiyaan did to me. Gehraiyaan marketed itself to me as if it was some
Bad
noir.
marketing.
It marketed itself as if it was going to be a nuanced take on infidelity and like complex relationships. But the second half took a sharp left turn and it went into whatever thriller, murder, mystery
Yeah.
genre. The trailer was an indicative of that, and I was very upset.
Yeah.
I wanted the characters to know that they were cheated on. That never happened in the film. They never found out through the film that oh, someone has cheated on, my partner has cheated on me with my cousin
Yeah,
or
yeah.
sister or friend or
Cousin,
whatever.
cousin.
Huh, my cousin is sleeping with my
Cousin.
fiance.
Huh.
Straight.
Yeah.
That's a scene I want to see. Nah? That's where the waterworks will happen. That's where the drama is. You can't instead of approaching it head on, make a right turn and be
But I
like,
think
oh, murder kar dete hain kisi ka ek
But I think
character
the
ko."
murder is a take on infidelity. I'll explain why. Okay, I'll explain this. I really like Gehraiyaan. I really like the movie. I really
Second
like
half
Deepika's.
also.
Yeah, I really like it. I love the scene between Nasiruddin Shah
Shakun
and
Paglu.
Deepika. No, yeah, I love the scene between Shakun Paglu. You're right. The scene between Deepika and Nasir Saab, I really like that scene where he tells her ki your life can't be defined by one mistake that you made. Very good scene. But coming back to the infidelity
What
bit,
is some दे दे प्यार दे logic? एक बार सोने से प्यार हो जाता है तो दो
Cheek.
बार सोने से प्यार नहीं. That's the thing, right?
yeah,
They
yeah,
keep
they
saying,
pyar, they say it 2 times.
They,
They pyar, they 2 also has cheating, by the way.
kiss.
Fake cheating.
Staged.
हाँ,
Oh,
Mizan and-
spoiler alert. Lot of plot is there in that movie.
Lots is going on in that film.
Good
Half
story
the
per
movie is
minute.
recap.
Story per minute is high. Story
Yeah.
per minute is high.
Yeah.
Haan,
Ajay
but get
Devgan
back
is
to
fully
Gehraiyaan.
sleeping through that film. Haan. So in Gehraiyaan, basically what are they showing? That Deepika Padukone and Siddharth Chaturvedi start having sex. It's all great until she gets pregnant. And I think the take is that infidelity is fine till crisis hits you. And then the price is paid by the girl predominantly because she gets pregnant and he's like, fuck, dude, you're a baggage now. You're not fun anymore. Like when it was just cheating, it's fun. But when the stakes are raised because she's pregnant, she becomes baggage. And that's why the murder angle happens. So the
But my
infidelity is very
problem
critical
that's
to
such
the
a
murder.
cop out now. If you're making a film, a mature film on infidelity,
But the movie's
how
not
can-
about infidelity. Who said? That's the marketing team.
Not a single trailer indicated it
The
was a
trailer
thriller.
is wrong.
It wasn't marketed as a thriller. No one was pushing that film as a thriller or a murder mystery, or even with any type of suspense.
You think, but
it was being.
that's a little they're baiting you, na?
They
They're
were
like,
selling
"Dekh
it
lo."
as a little bit of वो क्या है वो जो
Vicky Cristina,
closer,
Barcelona
closer,
types.
closer, not
Match
Vicky.
point.
Closer. Is that the film?
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
that the musical?
The Julia
It'll
Roberts.
be, I thought it'll be like Closer. I
Yeah,
thought
yeah,
thoda
yeah.
वैसा होगा
Yeah,
ना. But
yeah.
this wasn't Closer. This was, and they were marketing it
But
like that.
ignore the trailer. If you watched it as a standalone film,
As
Even
a
then you had a
standalone film
problem.
also, I mean, as a standalone film, I think it's whatever. It's a 7 on 10. It's not a bad film.
6, 7.
It's a 6, 7 or whatever. But it's not I don't think it's a bad movie. It was entertaining. It looked good. Performances were nice. But I had high expectations because it is someone who I think is probably the best director in that Dharma camp currently, at least.
Yeah, Shakun Matra.
By far.
Very good.
Him, followed by Shashank Khaitan, followed by everyone else, and then Ayan Mukherjee at the bottom.
Now though he's a Yash Raj guy also.
Wherever he is, he's at the bottom. He doesn't deserve to be forgiven after Brahmastra and War 2. I don't
तो
think.
watched yeah, Brahma.
If you don't have connections, you cannot. You should ideally be ousted from the industry
Very
after
hectic.
War 2 and
Very
Brahmastra.
hectic
Yeah,
opinion.
he may have friends and
Oh,
family,
fuck.
but I genuinely think that the scale at which he delivers blunders.
It's yeah.
Huh.
That should have some kind of a penalty, I think.
After
You're
his
right.
college project, Wake Up Sid, which seemed kind of true to
Cute.
himself and
Yeah.
cute and all, which was nice. Everything else I've been like, whatever, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani did numbers, but that's just because that pairing is so
And
iconic.
music was
and-
very good and all. But whatever.
yeah, but I don't like, I'm not a fan of Ayan.
Do we
Mostly
think
because of his priorities. I think his priorities are skewed as a director. He
Means he wants to make
immediately
a big
went for MCU. No, like I think Shakun Batra at least has his head on in the right place. I think he makes his money making ad films and all.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
जब
yeah.
वो फिल्में बनाता है तो he makes stuff that at least has meat.
Yeah.
All Ek Mein Aur Ek Tu, Kapoor and Sons, this
Yeah,
all
yeah.
three great.
Yeah.
I think he was attached to an Osho documentary or
yeah,
not. I'm
he's
not.
spoken about it also.
I think he was
Yeah.
attached to one which I saw
Huh.
somewhere. But this guy's priorities were wrong. But getting back to Gehraiyan.
हाँ.
So Gehraiyan, yeah, that was my problem. Infidelity
Understood.
पे ध्यान ही नहीं दिया.
Hmm.
तो infidelity की movie होनी चाहिए थी. But वो बनी नहीं infidelity की फिल्म.
ठीक है. You all tell us if you liked Gehraiyan. You tell us.
Most random infidelity? What is the most random infidelity that you have seen?
Oh.
Love Aajkal 2 you've seen?
Yeah, where cheating happens.
Love Aajkal 2 is that, na? It takes
Kartik
that...
Aryan and Sara Ali Khan.
Yeah,
Yeah,
when
where does he cheat?
he moves to the city, right? He moves to the city
They
and
break
starts.
up, they break
he
up.
starts waiting. They're in a long distance relationship.
No, fully off Shant.
No,
No, I fully
no.
know Love Aajkal too. Oh,
What are you
the
saying?
90s love.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
he
That
moves
is
to-
cheating. That is cheating.
Full on
Yeah.
and
Hey, good one, huh?
senseless cheating.
Yeah, good
like it
one.
makes no sense.
Good
There's
one.
no logical connection. There's no reason as to why
Yeah.
he's doing it,
Yeah.
and that's what they said. Ki sometimes it's just senseless.
Yeah.
Just proximity.
I
ki
think
wajah-
though, maybe I read into it because I was going through an Imtiaz Ali phase and I was maybe like trying to justify. I think what they were showing in Love Aajkal 2 was that he fell in love with this girl when he was very young and he had no exposure to the world. And then he's in that Bali Umar where he goes to the
where
city.
he's working at a cafe
हाँ,
Mondegar or
and then
something.
he's like, oh, or be like, I don't know only what love means. अभी तो I committed too quickly in life, which I think is true for a lot of people in India, ना? बहुत जल्दी प्यार हो गया, शादी भी हो गई, अब क्या अभी whatever. So I think it's like, I think it showed something very human and real, not a well executed film, but I don't think it showed senseless cheating. I think it showed men से होता है ये.
No, but even it was initiated by the lady who was with him,
Yeah, because
who
white
also
chick,
had a lover, I think.
she was a white chick also in that movie. Which
No,
is
not
all-
a white chick. She was an
Oh.
Indian. She was his colleague, a waitress that works with him or
Okay,
something
okay,
where it
okay,
starts.
okay.
And then it just becomes senseless. And then Kartik Aryan, who's an adult with a grown-up adult face, suddenly turns into Randeep Hooda.
हाँ, correct.
Just the right amount of
Who
doodh
looks
and
like
ghee.
someone who would cheat.
All this stuff and all, I don't know how to
I
how
can't
to
even
justify.
control. I'm just saying, I don't mean it. I don't mean any of this. It's just, yeah.
Interesting. So,
Huh.
I don't know. You've seen De De Pyar De 1 and 2
Yeah,
also.
I've seen 2. I didn't see 1.
Oh, 1 is a very
I
interesting.
refuse to see Ajay Devgan and Tabu paired together. Somehow
No,
it
it's
doesn't-
very interesting. De De Pyar De 1 mein, he comes, it's the reverse, right?
Correct,
In this,
correct.
they
He goes to
explain. So
her.
he goes
Yeah.
to win, she comes to win over his kids and all to
Yeah, yeah,
inform that he's dating someone.
Yeah.
And then there's a moment where Tabu and Ajay Devgan's characters that haven't spoken for a while. One night, she's like, here, you've come with this young girl 20 years later, you've not been around to raise your kids. And she has a bit of a meltdown. And she's like, it's been so tough. And he's like, I'm so sorry. And she's like, I need a friend, man. And where the hell have you been? Ye wo.
Sweet.
And Ajay comforts her and they sleep together. Tabu and Ajay. So he sleeps with
They
Tabu.
show a word. I just want to know.
Yeah, they sleep together.
Okay.
And then later he goes to Rakul's character and he's like, yo, I slept with her last night.
Oh, he comes clean.
immediately. And Rakula like beats him up, and it's still a bit of a comedy, a drama comedy. So she beats him up, and she's like, "What the hell, dude? I'm leaving. This makes no
Yeah,
sense.
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
what have you slept with
Yeah,
her?"
yeah.
And then he's like, "No, no, you don't understand. There was just 20 years of pent up feelings. She was crying to me. I
Oh,
just saw a
wow.
20-year younger version of her, and I was drawn to that. And then suddenly this happened, which is where this Love Ranjan theorization of एक बार सोने से प्यार हो जाता है
ये
क्या,
क्या
तो
line है
फिर
यार?
एक बार सोने से
हाँ.
चले कैसे जाता है, because that's where I think they try to even it in the second part with the whole
She
mise
also does, हाँ.
she does
हाँ.
it, and then when he's hurt, she's like,
हाँ.
"Yo, why didn't you fight for
हाँ.
me? I thought you could sleep with your
Yeah,
ex, then why
yeah,
can't I do
yeah,
this?"
yeah.
Only that then they make it meta towards
Yeah,
the
it's
end.
weird. In the second one, it's too twisted.
One was very interesting because it is a frothy, slightly lazy, decently written but slightly lazy rom-com throughout. But Taboo really elevated it.
Of course, as she
In
does.
this film also, because second part had Javed and Mizan and all these inside jokes that they were doing father son, which kind of made it palatable as a movie. As much as I would like to credit all of it to Rakul.
Maddie भी है ना उसमें तो.
Very good in it. Maddie and his wife, I think,
Yeah,
Miss
yeah.
her name is Gautami.
Ram Kapoor's wife.
She has
Gautami.
an identity beyond being his wife, Akanksha.
I would like to be known as Ram Kapoor's wife if I was Ram
You would
Kapoor's
like
wife.
to be known as
If
Ram
I was his
Kapoor?
wife, I wouldn't consider that an monsoon wedding.
Then
Chunel
she was
chunel.
also the mom, na? She was also the mom in of Seher Bamba's character in Bads of Bollywood. Same lady. Bobby Deol's wife.
Really?
Yeah. Same lady.
Oh.
Gautami, I think she's like a big TV
Yeah,
actor.
she was a huge
She's
TV actress at some point, and then she took a back seat.
You know all
Okay,
of
got
this.
it, got it.
Any
ठीक
other
है.
movie you want to
I'm
bring
thinking,
up?
I'm thinking. No. I
No?
think no.
You have no other movies? You have
You
nothing
have a
else?
what?
No.
Anything comes to
I
mind?
was thinking
No,
you would
na?
know.
No, I'm
Also.
thinking recent. Like I feel like Bollywood's been a little more bold with showing infidelity, na? Like these actors are agreeing to do, like Ajay Devgan's agreeing to do something like this. It's not an easy choice. It's a fuck all universe of like Love Ranjan's language and all that, but it's still interesting to show कि cheating हो जाती है. थोड़ा
I, in
normalize हो
fact, would
चुका
go
है.
as far as to say the universe is not so fuck all.
Oh,
Because they are
Because
doing stuff
Rakul
like this.
Preet
Because
said again, but-
conversation is happening. I to a certain extent defend the Love Ranjan universe because I am seeing a steady evolution in what it is doing. Where it
From
started at
PKP.
Pyar Ka PKP 1, there is a growth in terms of at least what is being said in every movie. And I know that people might still come at me, but I think that there's definitely a decline in the problematic nature of the writing. And it's not as lazily written as most rom-coms of its genre are. They put in effort on a script.
Which is maybe that's why it's less fun also. Like
That's because you're
like
texting while
PKP
watching.
was lots of fun to watch because it's so authentic and true to the
Cringe
grossness
watching.
of that milieu that it's like great. But this Dede Pyar is trying to do all this. Rakul Preet is being like, oh, मैं feminine, whatever. Irritating सा tone है ना उसका थोड़ा. Like थोड़ा fake empowerment है उसमें थोड़ी. But besides
You're
the point.
saying don't do it.
I'm like, do it and do it well. Otherwise, don't do it. Otherwise, it's more dangerous.
But what if you're trying to do it well, but you can't do it? Like you're trying your best.
Quit
but
movie.
quit making movies. Oh, this is a good one.
Quit it. Not all.
Okay. Anything else that you'd
No,
like
I
to
think
discuss?
all done. Karan Johar, well done. I think we just ended comforting
We should end it
Karan
with saying
Johar.
this. So our
We comfort.
final discussion for this episode has landed on the fact that Karan Johar has been instrumental in shaping the discourse on infidelity in cinema
Correct.
for the last how many
many
ever
ever?
years, whether
Two decades.
whether it was sprinkles of it in
Yeah.
his earlier work, a big take on it on Kank, or producing Gehraiyan much later. We touched upon Shekhar Kapoor's cinema and its
Yeah.
homage in Farah
Yeah.
Khan's Main Hoon Na,
Yeah.
and the a plethora of comical infidelity that has existed and pervaded through all your Vashu Bhagnani
Correct.
produced or
Huh.
David Dhawan produced
David Dhawan.
cinema that has existed. If you know any movies where infidelity was tackled in a nuanced or in a completely rubbish way, please tell us in the comments so that we can do a second part where the two of us sit down together.
Infidelity करेंगे यार.
Yeah,
Part 2
infidelity
करेंगे.
करें, फिर से infidelity. Infidelity return of the infidelity. We can do.
Correct.
Yeah.
We can, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Like, share, subscribe to the Popcorn Hour for more interesting conversations like this. Handshake. And now.
Pregnant.